tapping, the water's going down to the bottom, it's going back up and getting sprayed back over it again. We can't do that unmonitored, so that's why we have to turn it off at the end of the day. So basically, out of office hours and on weekends, it's just sat in its own liquid, macerating. This one's a lion's mane mushroom tincture, which is getting quite popular, the mushrooms. Yeah. We're doing a lot of them recently. A lot of requests for contract manufacturing jobs to do with mushrooms, capsules, such things. So in here we've got more water, more alcohol, and with it being a leaf, it's less dense. So you've got in there a press that will come down, so you'll take it out of these puffing bags, it'll go straight into this. Into this part here. This press lifts up, this bit lifts out, that goes in there, back in there, and it's all works on hydraulic, so it's squeezing everything out of it, every bit of it. It then gets filtered at the same time, and then goes back in and back through again. Okay. This is a counting machine. So there's a turntable on here that rotates and vibrates, and it counts them out basically into pots. On this machine we can now do about 3,000 an hour, so it's all more than double productivity. Basically this works with, you fill the capsules into the capsule mould. It uses suction to separate the capsules. So it separates the tops from the heads within the mould, and then you'll fill them with the filling part, and then you'll seal them back up again. So there's going to be a bit of noise here, not too much. That's the vacuum, basically. That's what's going to separate the two capsules. So now we're going to store the capsules into this mould. And then we're going to separate the tops from the bottoms, basically. With the vacuum still on, lift that off there. This is then the filling stage. So we've got some clove powder in there. We've just finished a job for a German customer that we contract manufacture for. So these two products is clove capsules. So there's the filling part. So you this rotates.
Imagine it being that quick for us.
Oh no. Making capsules.
Then we're going.
Lift this up, and then what we're doing is just scrape off that excess. Bring out the tops. That goes on there. That powder will go back into the filler. And then this point is just going to reunite them.
Oh my gosh.
And then
12,000.
so this is the Henry Hoover that obviously is only ever used for doing this job. Don't give it to the cleaner as well you can. Back in the bowels of the building. This is more just storage of everything we've got. They're all open bottles of tinctures that we use for mixing. Capsules, which we sell usually in bags of thousands, practitioners.
Do you use it like a gelatin capsule or a veggie capsule?
A vegetable capsule, yeah. And then we've got 2 rows of tinctures.
Oh wow.
So it's that way and this way.
Oh no, look at it.
These two things were just from the bucket, the rest I found on the beach.
Oh,
The rose, I found it like on the, over there.
you'll have to throw it back in the sea afterwards, just in case it was for somebody.
It wasn't in the sea,
Ah, okay.
it was on the sand.
I personally think it's big on wrong.
Maybe. Oh, she hasn't even written it. Oh, how cute. Oh. Ever get the feeling you're getting watched?
It's literally sea island. Up here.
I know, I saw.
I want to look backwards.
Oh, you're the right character name.
It's gonna sit down.
No, you're getting soaked. Your top will get wet in him. You're alluring to yourself, you child. Just the way you like it. She is soaked.
I'm gonna edit that bit out.
Right, last go, and then we've got to go. God, she's gonna freeze once we get up there. Marvellous. Marvellous. Absolutely wonderful. Well, isn't that just simply spiffing?